How to fix Instagram Notes music not showing. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, if your music option is missing on your Instagram Notes, make sure that your app is up to date. Go ahead and open Play Store or App Store. Search Instagram. If there is updates available, select Update button and update it to the latest version. Tap Open button to access Instagram. Tap Profile at bottom right. Now tap three line at top right. Scroll down and look for the option of a story and message replies. On this page, tap on Show Activity Status and make sure that you turn on the button. Now come back to your home screen and tap the messenger icon at top right. Tap your note at top left corner. And here you can see that the music option has been available. Now you can tap on this music icon on your Instagram notes and easily add the music. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.